Carolina Amber Alert for a child abduction. The Winston-Salem PD is searching for a Aiden Dupree Siler Rippey. Aiden Siler is a 1-year-old black male, 2 foot 5 inch tall, weighs 24 pounds. He has brown hair and brown eyes. No abductor information is available at this time other than a dark in color Chrysler 200 and 3 black males. They were last seen south on Eberts Road from Clemensville Road. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call Winston-Salem PD immediately at 336-773-7700 or dial 911 or star HB. This is an Amber Alert.